Okay, so welcome and welcome back to my channel, and I just want to take you through what happened yesterday, right? I just want to take you through what happened yesterday, and yeah. So yesterday, you see this. Let me just highlight it with this. Yeah. So you see this fair value gap. Yeah. So I was early in my trade, and for me, I was aiming for the prices. As you can see, like yesterday, the price was going down, and for me, I was expecting the price to continue going down, and my target was at this line here, which was 50% level of the 1 hour fair value gap that was left last week Friday when there was a news drive at 10 o'clock when the Powell was speaking. Yeah, the bull run, right? So that was the 1 hour fair value gap, and this was the 50% level, and this was my target, right? So for me, I saw this as a good entry for it to continue going lower up to this point, right? So I entered my first partial at this level here, right? The price did not respect this fair value gap as it went up, and for me, I also took this order block here, this order block, as another entry. So I took two trades first. I took two trades here. So my the first trade that I placed here, it was a limit order, not my first trade was a limit order, but the second one I had to initiate it, right? So I placed another trade here, and so this is my first trade was taken, right? My stop loss was at this level here, so my stop was taken. The price went lower, right? And for me, I saw this as an opportunity for it going lower, right? So I was calm. So for my second trade here, my stop loss was at this level here. I'll just show you the execution after I've finished explaining, right? So after the price just went down here and started retracing back to this fair value gap again, I saw this, like the price, maybe it has just come to just what, how do you call this, it has just come to test this fair value gap here. So it has come for a retest before going down, but afterwards the price just went up. This was after the start of my session, right? 9:30, right? Okay, I always, not also, I always enter, like, also, okay, I always trade like in the New York AM session. So that's my time, like I created for myself, like I should just trade at this particular moment, right? So at that moment when I saw like the price was not respecting this fair value gap, now I treated this fair value gap as an bullish inversible fair value gap, right? After my trades were taken, because here I entered again, making it to 3 trades, right? So I took 3 trades at first going short, but the price violated my move, right? It did not respect this fair value gap. It did not respect this fair value gap, and as I saw, like now the price was now retesting this bullish inversible fair value gap. I saw this is an opportunity to take long, aiming for, okay, this is a London high of Monday. This was London high of Monday, so I opt to take, like I saw this as an opportunity, like the price might go for this this London high before it goes down for this for this target of mine here. So I decided, let me just enter again, like the last shot, right, aiming for this one, though I expected the price to continue going up, at least to go up and take even the Asian high, but it was just accumulating here, like at sometimes, like at times I just felt like, let me just get out of this trade, because I was not seeing the price moving. It was just accumulating at this level. So but I just had to let me just see how the price would move, right? So after waiting, almost now towards towards the New York PM session is when the price took this is when the price took the London high before it started now going down. So for me, this was the level. I decided to take the last shot at inside this bullish inversible fair value gap, right? So that was my target. That's how I traded my yesterday. And yeah, even though like I did not, like I was early enough, yeah, it taught me something. Like I should always wait for my session. I should not be early enough. I should just stop being on the chart early enough than the usual, right? And this will just protect my equity. Even though like I'm just practicing, I'm paper trading right now. I'm just trying to teach myself, like, yeah. And yeah, I believe in the long run things will just be okay. And yeah, so that's how it went. So if I could have just if I could have just trade during the PM session, this was supposed to be my entry here, because this fair value gap, this is a 30-minute, yeah, no, it's a 1 hour, maybe a 1 hour fair value gap here. Yeah, it's a 1 hour fair value gap. Yeah, so after the price just closed below here and came back to retest this fair value gap here, this was a good opportunity to enter, and then you aim at this low. Yeah, this New York AM session low, right? Yeah, so that's how it went. And also the price, you see that it went down up to this level. And yeah, so for the lesson, I've learned that I should always I should be patient with my strategy, be patient for my session, and I should not try to make it happen, because the market doesn't owe me anything. Yeah, I just have to place the trade and let the market do its thing. If it's going up, it will go up. If it's going down, it will go down. So it's just my obligation to just wait for the perfect setup, right, for a good trade. And yeah, so hopefully you've learned something. And yeah, hopefully you've learned something. And yeah, for today I'll just wait for today's trade. I'll just wait and see what will happen. If there'll be a good setup, I'll take. And yeah, if I will not see my setup, I'll just have to stay back. Yeah, I just have to fall back a little and just see how the price is moving. So for now, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Oh, wait there, let me just show you. Before that, let me just show you something. Let me just show you my executions. This was last week I traded impulsively because I forgot to tell you this, but last week I traded impulsively, and yeah, it was not a good trade for me. Yeah, I did not have to check any trade. Yeah, the thing of just being on the market too early is something that I have to stop. Yeah, so for this Friday's trade, I only took when the price started retracing back. It's when I took the short, and I got out when I noticed like the price now will just continue going up. Is when I went out, right? So I traded impulsively and I was emotional in this. So yeah. So for yesterday's trade, you see, I entered my first. I entered my first trade here. It was a limit order, and then here now I entered. Right, I entered, executed it, and here this trade I was stopped out. And then I also entered again. Here I entered 2 trades here, and as I entered the third one here, so I got stopped out. The 2 trades I was stopped out, and then afterwards I entered now buy. Is when it went up and it took my target, which was at that level. So I was able to recover the loss I had gotten earlier. It was just a small loss. I was able to recover it, and then I got a small profit, right? So I just have to practice myself. Like I just have to control the way I trade. Yeah, and yeah. So that's how it is. That's how it happened, and yeah. Hopefully you've learned something from this, and yeah, I'll just see you on the next video. Take care.